Pumpkin spice latte is very simple, just like the name says. A nice homemade latte with pumpkin and spices. There are many ways to make it, and today I will show you how we do it so easily. First thing is to make pumpkin puree. But don't try to peel the whole pumpkin, as that can be dangerous because of its round shape. So cut it into wedges and take the guts out. Then you will see how easy it is to peel a pumpkin. Some people roast it in the oven, which I have tried, and it takes way too much time and energy. Unless you're using the oven for a few other things, there is no point. Best way to do it is probably just boiling on the stove and keeping things simple. No matter how you cook the pumpkin, the next step stays same. As you are going to blend the pumpkin with some sugar, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, and ginger. These are the base flavor of this pumpkin spice latte, but if you want to add more, you can do that later. Once the delicious pumpkin puree is ready, it's time to make our latte. For a good latte, high pressure espresso machine is great, but if you don't have one, use a mocha pot like me. Mocha pot is great for making espresso at home. It's a bit technical, but once you know how to use mocha pot, trust me, it will become your favorite way of making coffee. Whenever you make coffee in mocha press, follow these steps, otherwise you will regret. Make sure to use hot water to fill up the water chamber and fill until the nozzle. Fill up the coffee chamber with good quality espresso ground coffee and maybe some spices if you want to. Then clean the sides properly, otherwise it is going to leak water through the sides, and that will create mess. Next, you must use a towel and tighten the mocha pot properly, so no chance of leaking water. After that, simply heat it up and wait for the magic. As soon as you see the crema comes, remove from the heat and cool down the bottom with some cold water. By the way, if you want to know more, I will explain that in another video. Now let's finish the pumpkin spice latte. Before the coffee is ready, in a cup add your pumpkin spice puree and then put the coffee straight in the cup. Heat up the milk at 63 to 65 degrees Celsius and then use one of these French press to make beautiful froth. I love this way of making froth as it's very consistent. I usually prepare the milk at the same time while the coffee is brewing, and it requires no experience like the professional milk steamer. So here comes the final drink. It looks lovely and smells amazing. So guys, let me know if you have any tips you want to add, or if you have learned something from this video. I will really appreciate if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.